tools you need to move forward in your kingdom assignment, part 2. So the next tool I'm going to recommend is therapy. You may ask, why therapy? Sometimes what stops us from moving forward is our internal beliefs, behaviors, and habits. And I believe sometimes those need to be uprooted in order to move forward, because as you're pursuing your assignment and these beliefs keep coming to you that you're not good enough, that you're not capable, find yourself in square one over and over and over and over again. I really recommend that you seek a mental health professional or therapist to help you overcome your limiting beliefs. If therapy is not feasible for you in this season, there are a buttload of books, trainings, and podcasts by mental health professionals that offer a wealth of knowledge and resources to help you renew your mind. And so I would definitely recommend that. That's what I started with when I was starting my mental health journey, and I'll go ahead and list some recommendations below.